Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our ReactJS e-commerce series with Laravel API. So guys, we have completed our add of product, and now let's get started with view products, guys, whatever we have inserted into our products table. So guys, let's go to our React app and create a route for this first, and the page also. So let's get back to our React application. So let us close this. Just go to routes, copy and paste, tell view product, and the name of this product will be view product. Copy and paste it over here. And now guys, let's tell import view product from the same path we are going to call that, where we will tell view product. Okay, so copy this. So let's create that new file, view product.js file. Perfect. So now guys, so import a React from React and create a function. So function, the same name we are going to keep. Let's copy this view product function, open and close, export default view product. All set, return, open and close, where you will tell h4 tag I am view product. Save. And now guys, let's see that. So before checking this, you need to copy this route and go to your sidebar, which means this sidebar, and see that route is created or not for that, the path. So let's go to the sidebar, and here is the product, view product. So just paste that. Perfect. So now let's close this sidebar and let's see the output, guys. So we should be on the I am view product. So let's click on this view, I am view product. Perfect, guys. So now let's design the card and the table to fetch the data. So as simple, class name, I'll start it with card px4 margin top 3, class name is equal to card header, h4 tag, where we will tell view product, h4 close. And before this, one simple link, guys, link to, where you will tell admin slash add product class name. Let's design this button success, button small, float end. Okay, so if you are using link, just import that class, guys. And after this card header, let's go to card body. So open and close div, class name is equal to card body. So first let's open and close div, give a class name with table responsive, and the table we are going to start over here. Give a class for this, where you will tell table bordered, table striped. Okay, and then table head, table row, table heading, where id will fetch the category name, then the product name, so your price, so which will be selling price we are going to fetch, and a image, one edit, and finally a delete button, guys. Perfect. So after this head tag, let's tag table body, and inside this table body we will fetch the data, display our datas. So let's check the output, guys, for this. Let's get back. Perfect. So you can see the output, add product, you are going here, so view product. Cool. So instead of green button, let's make it to blue, so that will be primary. Save, and cool. So now guys, let's fetch the data from our database. This is our products table where we have inserted two data. Okay, so now let's get back and let's use effect. Okay, let's remove, give axios get method, then open and close, where response of your you get the response. So let's create a API for this guys, /API / your view hyphen product. So let's copy and create a route for this guys. So let's go to a Laravel application and start with that. Let's get back. So let's create a route : get method, where you're going to create with the view product, give comma and call to your controller. So let's move to this product controller at index function. Okay, so now let's go to product controller and create one index function. Let's go and create one public function with the index named. And now guys, let's return the write the code over here. So $products is equal to your product model : all function, and return response function with the JSON format, where status of 200 comma then your products of this $products you are going to send inside this. Saved guys. Now so now when you get the response of this products, let's get back to our React app. Once you get, check in a if condition, if response.data.status equal to 200. Okay, so if it is success means then you are going to get the data. So how will you get the data? Let me just console log and show you guys. So let's use log, where response.data. your products. So let's copy that products and paste back. Now let's see that in a console log. Okay, it's telling include this. We are using user effect, give comma, open and close bracket, use effect. Okay, let me just bring this down. And yep guys, let's remove this input because we are not sending anything over here. So just leave it blank. Let's get back, inspect, go to your console, and you can find that two data have come guys. So one is your mobile data, this is mobile, and this is your Samsung mobile. Okay, so yep guys, let's see that. Let's print this data into our HTML table. So let's comment and create one variable called set product. So we are going to set this somewhere. Let's copy this and paste it. Now guys, over here use state. So use state. Okay, let's copy this and paste that. So set product is assigned over here, and over here you are going to give an array format. So whatever data it comes, it will store as array, and instead of this set you are going to tell view product. Okay, so now let's copy this and come below this user effect. Let's use if else condition. So over here give a else condition. Inside this else condition we will print all this product view data. So before that we need to set a loading thing. It will throw an error. Okay, so for that guys you need to set a loading. Let me just copy and paste, make it to loading, and give set loading, and this use state you are going to set it as true. So remove that array and make it to true. Now let's copy this, and just when you're storing the data, after this make your set loading to false. False. All set. So with this help of loading state, we will check return h4 where loading view products. Okay, or else you can tell view products loading. Save, and now let's see guys over here. Okay, use state is not defined. Let's define that. Copy, give a comma and paste that use state. That's it. So view product is not assigned. It's a warning guys. Let's refresh. So you can see that view product is loading, it's shown, and after that when it is loaded it has set to false. And let's use that view product to loop the data. So let's copy this guys and get back to your else condition. And yep, view products dot map function where you will tell inside this item of open and close curly brace where you are going to return over here. So return open and close and start with your table structure. So open tr tag, close table data. Inside this table data you are going to print item of dot id. So this id is nothing but your database column field names. So this id, category id, meta title, or your product name, slug, description, brand. So these are your details you'll getting. Copy and paste. This will be a category underscore id and the product name. And then guys, what is that? Next is selling price image. So let's take selling underscore price, copy and paste, then is your image. So image image, and the final a button. So you can add with a link tag, link open and close, where you will tell to this will be your edit hyphen product. Okay, where you will tell edit. Let's give a class name for this to design the button. Is equal to where button success button small, copy and paste, and this will be your normal button. Let's make it to button, not a link. button button with the type typ type button. Okay, make it to danger, and this will be your delete option. Perfect. So now guys, let's see the output. So refresh. Okay, view product loading. So something has gone wrong. Let's see what is that. Okay, so we have loaded but we didn't print over here, right? So let's print that. Okay, so now let's create a variable guys over here where display product data, okay, is equal to null. Copy this and just assign it over here is equal to, and copy this again and just display that inside this table body. Save it. Now you will get the output. Perfect guys. So let's refresh once. Cool, but you're getting some warning. Each child should have a unique key. So let's set that also. So inside your tr table you have to set with the key. Okay, so you can give directly I, which means it will just increment over here. So this I will automatically increment, or else you can just paste this item of ID. So that is your unique ID. You can remove this. So let's use any method guys. So solves our error. That's it. So refresh, and we are getting no warnings, errors and all. Perfect. So guys, we have fetched the data, and now let's fetch the image also. So as we have seen that in Laravel code, to store the data we have stored in one folder with the uploads and product folder. So let me just show you the path, public where uploads, and inside this product folder we are storing this images. So let's call this path, guys. So this is our Laravel, so that is your backend software. So this is the path, guys. So if you are hosting it, let's get the domain name instead of that and set somewhere globally. So now for fetching the products, let's cut this, Control X, add a img, close, and give a src is equal to paste, width is equal to, where I'm going to give 50 pixel, and alt is equal to img. Now let's add that path, guys. So let's copy this and paste over here. So before this, just add a backtick and end with the backtick. Okay, so your curly braces are separate. And now guys, let's Control X, dollar open and close curly brace, and paste that. So it will concatenate it, save, and now let's see the output. So refresh. Perfect, guys. So you can see the images are coming perfectly. So what is this error? Okay, so this is just a warning. Let's refresh that, and now we are facing this error, guys, where this is telling like something about the alt tag. Okay, so this means like it is asking the unique name for it. So let's just change that. Let me just add this product name for the image. So this is your image tag. Just add inside this alt tag, add the item name, guys. Save, and you can see there is no error. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully completed how to fetch our data from our database in ReactJS with Laravel API. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please continue next video where we are going to learn how to fetch the category name by its relationship model. Okay, and how to set a document title. Okay, so thank you once again, guys. Please subscribe, like and share.